They do crazy stuff in between. This is going to be super cool. Now the bikes, the boys are riding through that little brand new Yamaha YZ 454 stroke and the YZ 252 stroke. Something for everybody. A big thank you to Yamaha for coming on board as factory sponsor. That's right, airtime FNX, Wiggly Blue. And of course, none of this would be possible to Can Show Society. Thank you so much for having us here again in 2025. We love you guys. Alrighty, the boys getting warmed up out there, making sure you got plenty of blood through those stations, fuel through those bikes. Now, if you have a phone on you, which you may do, make sure you rip that bad boy out, put it on record, and send the photos or videos. We love to see them. And all you're going to do is rip them up on a social media and just use the little hashtag #AirtimeFMX or of course Can Show. Well, looks like the boys are ready to rock and roll, so let me introduce you to rider number one. This guy over here was one of the original crusty demons of dirt, and he's in the Guinness Book of Records being the first man to ever backflip a Harley. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Mr. Kane Soul. Oh yeah, Soul's in the house, make some noise for him out there. Rider number two, all the way from Walker. He's on the two-stroke, keep it on, ladies and gentlemen, this is Ben Richard. And last but not least, we got an absolute superstar in our mix. This guy has traveled the world with Travis Pastrana and the Nitro Circus. Give it up for Brad Batch! Oh yeah, Virgie's in the house. He's got a massive bag of drinks. He'll go off if you go off. Make some noise for Virgie out there! Alrighty, mate, don't forget that rule. The more noise you make, the crazier we get out here. Here goes Kane Soul. Let's go! How about that? We know here, Ken. Ben Richards coming out this way. Yes, another hero! Ben Richards with a massive win back. How's the style on the outside? Brad Batch straight back into it on that ball stroke. Up the top, look out, Berkey. Hanging off the back of that set bike. The one-hand Indian there up there from Berkey. These guys be going head-to-head all day, and I'll tell you what, it's all about playing guys over the end of the day. Wow! How about that? Ladies and gentlemen, would you please make some noise for one of the best in the business, Mr. Kane Soul? Benny Richards out there on that two-stroke, just got back from America and X Games. Yes, I love it so much!
Why is that doing it again?
I'm not sure
Oh, they call the boy from the Moore Show about it. Put your hands together for Mr. Ben Richards. Right, guys, back down here on the other side. Bringing it on this one, look out, Virgie. Brad Virgie, massive ruler. And as Virgie comes on over, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, would you please welcome back to the Can Show, the boys from Airtime FMX. Virgie, mate, I tell you what, it has been an absolute whirlwind of entertainment out here tonight. We've had so much fun, great crowd in tonight, and it's awesome to be back here in Cairns, hey?
Yeah, mate, it's honestly fantastic to come back up north. Like I said, we're fortunate enough to travel all over the country, all over the world riding our dirt bikes. Benny was in the States last month riding our X Games. We were in Alice Springs, and all over the place. I mean, we absolutely love it. We're fortunate enough to do it for a very, very long time. I mean, it's a dream job, but there's nothing like coming up and we love it. So thanks so much for having us, Ken.
Oh, good on you, Virgie. Man, you're making us all warm and fuzzy out here. Okay, well, we're not here for a long time. We're here for a good time. So if you guys want to see some more, you're going to have to make some more noise. What do you think out there? Do you want to see some more? They said yes. Let's go. Round number two. Alrighty. Now the boys use that perch around there just to get a bit comfortable. They're going to start going bigger and bigger and bigger. And believe me when I say they can hear you guys out there. So you can turn it up here. Big one here, right into it. To open it up there in round number 2. Here goes Brad Putt. Coming into that big 450. Yes, someone goes for goal. How about that stop fancy? Throwing away that jet flag. They call that one the holy grab. Make some noise for him out there, Cash. These boys are absolutely off their balance out here. Ripping in on this one. Ben Richards should have seen it. Comes on over. Look out there. Wow. You are kidding me. Benny Richards just turned that bike on his head. Make some noise for him out there. Oh, he's a cheeky bugger, that Benny Richards. 23 years of age and just got back from X Games. Silver medal, gold medal, cannot believe it. This kid, there's nothing he can't do. Alrighty, well, we've done our upright tricks, we've done our style tricks, but you know what? I think it might be time to turn this party upside down. Have a look at this. Backflip, backflip, back to back. Oh, hang on, what's going on here? The boys heading to the top of the track. Have a look at this. Backflip, 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 back. Showing why these guys are the best in the business. How about it out there, kids? Stand those feet, clap your hands, and make some noise for the boys. Wildness out here. Now wasn't that Leo that actually wasn't even heard of, but these guys have to try it down every single time they do a show. Crazy. Well, where do we go from here? We've gone upside down. Now it's time to get really, really stupid. You might want to have a look at this one. Turn your eyes towards the sky. Hit that record button on your phone because Kane Saul's ready to go. Gets it up and hits it in a big suicide. No hand and back flip. Wow! That is a no look, no hands, 40 feet above the arena. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Kane Saul. Benny Richards, over on this side, ripping in on it. Grabs a fistful of the 2 straight, comes on out and gets that. Wow! How about that from Benny Richards? Turning himself inside out. That's why this guy here is on a rocket ship on his way to the moon. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Benny Richards. Alright, that is 1, and that is 2, but we're still going to man out here. Hey, Virtue, we got a good crowd out here, brother, and they want to see something ridiculous. What do you got for us? Rolls it on this one. Have a look at it. Wow! You are kidding me. A massive ruler flare. Ladies and gentlemen, how about it? That's why this guy's the cream of the crop of freestyle motocross in Australia. Would you please put your hands together for Mr. Brad Putt? You boys are absolutely off your melons out here today. I tell you what, you go bigger every time and you give me a hug. Oh, look at that, you got a slow clap from Kane Saul. That's pretty hard to get, Bertie. That's like the top of the tree. Don't worry about your X Games medals, mate. Alrighty, well, we are just about to get ready for the fireworks, so we probably don't have a lot of time. So we could probably stop the show there, pack it up and head off. Or we could do a little bit more. But it's going to be up to you guys out there. If you get crazy, we'll get crazy. If you make some noise, we'll make some noise. If you go up, we'll go up. We'll stand up. You got it, let's go! Oh God, love you, kids! Thanks so much for coming out and hanging out with us today. We absolutely love it. The most important part of any show is you guys. If you guys didn't come out and support community events, we couldn't do the job that we love. So on behalf of myself and the entire team, we say thank you to you guys. Now these boys over here, they are full-time professional freestyle motocross riders. This is what they do for a living. They get to ride around the country, hands in the clothes, doing what they love, hanging out together, riding together, and they're great mates too. But what happens is they spend way too much time together, which means they get perfectly in sync. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to send not 1, not 2. We're going to send 3 at the same time. Oh God. Whose idea was this? This is going to get really crazy. Grab that phone, pull it out. We got 3 riders, 1 ram. Have a look at this one. You got 1. You he stacks it and end up down there in a big pile of dirt bikes. The lucky these boys are the best in the business, and they're ready to hit this thing again, and who might have stopped them? Right up, boys, let's go! 3 riders, 1 minute, we got 1, we got 2, and we got 3! Wow! Make some noise for the boys out there! 3 of the nicest guys in the sport. Would you please thank Brad Birch, Ben Richards, Clean Soul, they're the boys from there, Time FM. Oh, good on you boys. Hey, I'll tell you what, the fireworks are coming on, so come on down, we're going to go and get some bag of Hey, you're a bit noisy, what are you doing? Pack it up. No, show's over, we're going to go. You want to do one more? Oh, I don't know. It's up to our good friends in Cannes, because you know the way it works. If you go crazy, we go crazy. What do you say out there? Do you want to see one more? Here we go. Let's go. One more time. Thank you so much for having us, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Whole big gang out here. Thank you for your patience. Running a little bit late down here tonight, but we wanted to make sure that you guys have the best possible night. Now, apparently, I'm going to be fine if I stand here. I know, right? I don't get paid enough for this, but I tell you what, if you guys want to get crazy, we'll get crazy with you. And if we're going to go bigger than we've gone before, then Cairns, you're going to have to get louder than you've gone before. So let's start making some noise. Here we go. Here we go. Let's get it. The boys here one more time. They are the best in the business. Make some noise for the boys out there! You got me some Brad Birch, Ben Richards, Kane Salt, the boys from there tonight, FMX. Good on you boys! My name's Tom, to the MC. Thank